4K wide-angle 360 live preview, 5.3K 1-inch sensor, Leica edition, AI auto editing capabilities, mic adapter 3.5 milliliters, as well as wireless Wi-Fi 8. Almost. Hey guys, Hannah here and welcome to this episode of Insta360 TV. Christmas has been over for a while now, but who doesn't love to open a box to find a magical gift inside, or indeed watch someone else do the exact same thing? So if you have already purchased a 1R, or you're still thinking about it, or indeed you have stumbled upon this video by chance, then welcome to this Insta360 1R unboxing video, where we are going to take a deeper dive into some of the details of our latest launch. So, let's go! So here we have the Twin Edition, which retails at $479 USD. With the Twin Edition, you can build your 1R in two ways, either the dual lens 360 build or the 4K wide angle. No matter which one you opt for, both allow full waterproofing up to 5 meters when built. No case needed. Let's dive a little deeper into each. The dual lens 360 build. 1R's 360 build unlocks the full creative potential of 360 videography. We've taken it to the next level with a live preview touchscreen and a bunch of new features, improved stabilization and AI-powered editing capabilities. Number 2, the 4K wide-angle build. If you swap out for the 4K build, you can shoot in stunning 4K footage. It's everything you'd expect from an action camera, but with so much more potential. So here at the side, you'll see these two little arrows, and to get that open, we're just gonna... Then you see here, we have the Type-C. Then right here is this little icon, and this indicates which way you pop in your SD card. So we're just gonna put it in like this, and then make sure the arrows are aligned like so. Give it a good push down. As another indicator to make sure that everything's closed nice and properly, if you see this little yellow here, this means that it's not closed properly. The touch screen. With the touch screen, you can dive right into adjusting settings. If you're in 4K wide angle build, you can set the screen to face you. It's perfect for vlogging, and we will later be releasing the mountain bracket, the cold shoe on the top, and the mic adapter, which is 3.5 millimeters, meaning that it works with pretty much any popular vlogging camera. And what's more, you can connect via Bluetooth so that you can do your audio monitoring and recording via AirPods. Pretty damn cool. So if you want to up that audio level, you can. So you may be thinking to yourself, why modularity? Isn't that a little bit gimmicky? Well, with any other action camera available on the market, you're usually faced with a trade-off. Do you want the full creative possibilities of shooting in 360, or do you want the highest resolution possible for your shot? With the 1R Twin Edition, you don't have to face that trade-off, and it's all for the price of a single action camera. And before we go, did someone hear that? Did someone say, Leica? Indeed we did. We have partnered with the pioneers of lens quality and co-engineered this 1-inch sensor with Leica. It shoots in stunning 5.3K resolution, which means, by fact, it is the highest quality action camera available on the market today. So this is perfect for videographers or for those of you who are chasing the highest grade resolution without carrying around a big clunky DSLR all day. But as I mentioned earlier, you can hop onto our website and you can customize your combos, whether you want to go with the Leica and the 360, the 4K, the Trio, and a bunch of other possibilities. So if you want to find out more, just hop onto our website to see what you can get your hands on. So there we have it. That is a whistle-stop tour of what you can expect from the Insta360 1R Twin Edition, as well as a sneak preview of our 1-inch sensor that we've co-engineered with Leica. Instead of sitting here on a couch talking on and on, if there's something specific that you would like to see now that we've launched the 1R, let me know down in the comments and we can make an episode just about that. We can do absolutely anything as long as it's an adventure. And likewise, if we have any unanswered questions that you would like us to address, then leave them down in the comments or slide into our DMs on on Instagram and we can do a follow-up episode if that is something that you would like to see. But as always, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, notifications, and I'll see you for the next episode.